Today we're going to understand how to blend phonemes to say one-syllable words and distinguish between long and short vowel sounds. Let's look at our picture card. The first picture is a picture of a B. Let's listen to the sounds that we hear. B, B. I hear E saying its names. That's a long vowel sound. B. This is a peach. Peach. Does this have the long vowel or short vowel sound? E, peach. I hear the long vowel E, peach. Now let's look at these picture cards. This is a picture of a nest. 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 I hear That's the short vowel sound for E. This is a picture of a pen. N. Pen. Does that have a short or long vowel sound? Right, a short vowel makes the short E says